In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with iMovie for iOS. So the first thing I'm going to do here is launch iMovie by tapping on the icon for that app. And once it opens up, here I'm going to see a list of the different projects that I've worked on. I can flick left or right to open one of these projects. Also, if I need help, in the lower left corner there's a question mark, and that opens up a built-in help for iMovie for iOS. And then I can just tap on the plus and choose new project, and this will create a new project for me. So the first thing we want to do here is bring in some video. And so to bring in video using the built-in camera, and to bring in some video into iMovie, I'm going to tap on the camera icon. It's right in the toolbar there in the middle, and that will bring up the camera. And right now I have the back camera. I can switch between the two. If I tap on the button in the upper right hand corner, I'll now be able to see my face, and I can swap back and forth using that button. When I'm ready to record, I want to make sure that I have not the still camera but the video camera, and I can do that using the toggle in the lower right hand corner. And then I'll just tap on record. I'll tap record again when I'm finished, and then choose use. This will bring my video in, and I'll see that in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. And I can preview the video by just moving my finger over the lower part of the screen. Now, once we have some video in, we can set some project properties. By tapping on the gear in the upper right hand corner, we can add theme music, and you can see the theme music shows up as a green area. We can loop that background music if we want. And then I also like to add a fade in from black and a fade out to black. And all that does is it makes sure that your video doesn't start abruptly at the beginning. And then we can choose different templates for our video just by choosing a different thumbnail within the project settings at the top of that pane. Once I've selected all my project settings, I'll just go ahead and tap anywhere on the screen, and now we're ready to go. We have some background music, and we also have a fade in from black and a fade out to black. So that's how we create a new project. I can go back to my project list by tapping in the button in the upper left corner, and then that will show me my new project. I can tap anywhere on the marquee, and I can give my new project a name. And now my project has a name, and if I want to go back in to edit it, I can just tap on its thumbnail, and I'm back in my project to edit it. So that's how you get started with iMovie for iOS.